Hi, this is Bill. So in this video, I'll be showcasing how you could navigate around ServiceNow UI 16 view. So this is the UI 16 view or the admin view. So on the top, this is the ServiceNow admin view banner, right? And as you go to the middle, this is the main content. So the main content only appears depending on the application that you will be choosing from the all menu. So as you click the all menu, this is the application navigator. You could pin it, right? As you pin, right? So for example, you choose service catalog as part of the application, right? Or the application module. Now the main content basically changes. So how the application navigator basically works, it's keyword driven, right? So if you misspelled it, right? So if you do a K, right? So it's basically not going to show you any results. So you have to be careful on the spelling, right? Just making sure that you are finding the right results that you are looking for. So for example, if I click or type in open, so anything, any module that would contain open, right, like customer service, right, will when I click open, then basically the list of open cases under the customer service module basically loads. So let me do a summary. So you have the application navigator, you have the banner frame, and the main content, which is the part of the UI 16 or the admin view. Thank you.